Hi guys, and welcome again to iConstruction TV. In today's video, I am going to be giving detailed explanation of who a builder is. A builder is an academically trained specialist and a statutory registered professional that is responsible for building, production, management, the construction and maintenance of building for the safety of mankind. For you to become a builder, you have to obviously pass through the different levels of education, from primary school to your secondary school, where you write your UTME and apply for the course building. In some universities they call it building technology, but where I studied in Ahmadu Bello University is just building science and tech. Builders are very important in the construction industry because they are the ones who put what the architects and the engineers have designed into real life existing structures. It's advisable that you always have them on your site. By doing that, you'd make sure that your building is built right, and then other mistakes that would have been made by quackery will be avoided. Now, quickly, it is also important for you to know that these builders have an association called the NIOB, that is an acronym for the Nigerian Institute of Building. This is an association and is composed of individuals who are builders that come to protect their interests, as well as to discuss on matters that concerns builders as well as the built environment. They also have a regulatory body that is called COBON, and COBON is an acronym for the Council of Registered Builders of Nigeria. These two bodies work pari passu to ensure both training, both research and development of builders in Nigerian's construction industry.